Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through how to remove a domain from your Lovable AI account. First, log into your Lovable account. Once you're inside, look for your project name at the top. Beside it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that. From the menu, select Project Settings. Inside the settings, go to the Domains tab. Here, you'll find a list of all the domains currently connected to your project. Take a moment to review them so you're sure which one you'd like to remove. Now, to remove a domain, just click on the Remove button beside it. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear. This is basically a confirmation step to make sure you really want to proceed. Keep in mind that once you remove the domain, it will be disconnected from your project, so double check before confirming. If you're ready, go ahead and click Remove on the pop-up. After a moment, you'll see that the domain has been successfully taken off your project. And that's it. You've now removed a domain from Lovable AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.